Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to show you how I made this juicy baked chicken. It is so simple and easy, and if you guys are ready, let's get started. So guys, to get started with this chicken, we are going to go ahead and season it. So this is breast chicken and I already washed it. I cleaned it up. I took out all the fat. We are going to go ahead and just cook the chicken. Tenderize the chicken. We are going to go ahead and season it. So my first seasoning is going to be lemon, salt, pepper, and this is 1 teaspoon. Add some Chile lime seasoning blends. Next, we are going to go ahead and add in some onion powder. So for onion powder, I'm gonna use in about 2 teaspoons of onion powder. I'm adding in some roasted garlic and herb seasoning. And that was 1 teaspoon. And this is garlic and herb seasoning. And this is a salt-free one. Next, I'm gonna add in some smoked paprika, 1 teaspoon as well. Half teaspoon of tenderizer. Next, you wanna add in some butter. This is about 1/3 of a cup of butter. So I went ahead and blended in some garlic, and that's about 6 cloves of garlic. So guys, I'm gonna go ahead and just mix everything together like that, because we wanna make sure that everything has all the seasoning. So to this mixture, I'm gonna add in some olive oil, and this is just about 1 tablespoon of olive oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and rub it up like that. Just a little extra. So I'm gonna go ahead and cover this baked chicken. And I'm gonna bake this chicken at 375 Fahrenheit for about 20 to 25 minutes. So while this is covered, we're gonna cover it about 10 minutes. And then after that, I'm gonna take it off so it can continuously cook by itself. And we'll be right back. So guys, this is how the chicken looks like. And I'm gonna go ahead and let it rest for a little bit. So this has been resting, and I'm gonna go ahead and cut it. So we are going to grab one and so guys, we have reached the end, and this is how everything looks like. The chicken is so juicy, guys. I just want to say thank you for watching this channel, for subscribing, for commenting, and I'll see you next time when I make something new. Bye.